Uba el hek uloong ba ke election gade ki election. Bat kinu kinu ki kertong ke bekon ki election ki doni ke jing scam jing mot lem kom ta ken empelut ka ya kapor kabor ba ke jing dan jing em. Bat baro ki kertong ke bekon ki doni ke jing temu ban job. Ha ka bedai ba galawe jing BJP hari lom garo uba el hek uloong bagi pajba menta ka kenti gen vote ki kampen roy namar ba ke BJP kalawan ra ki kampen roy om tanga ka jela megalaya. Ndre hegari baro ko bai. Barki kam ki belale du menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi barka sarkar NDA kadai ke belai ro da baro. Uba AL hek ula pensyairu beri thik tang Bernard hi ubalapan tiket ne ke BJP. Bane kon ya ka election na Gambegre ban menta keseng kelarai ba Bernard Marak unong kertong jong keseng. Ule itu beginang ngelam keseng kendet menelap election ha Gambegre ban pentikna ba Bernard Marak un job iki election. Ulang bagi jing Pynïeng kertong ke BJP na Gambegre kadai namar bagani kathan kerang saadian hagi babon kiliang. Bat kumta ke BJP ke kuak macam kiai kini kijing bat ban penerengkat ya ke Gambegre bat ki weipat ki constituency.
The party high command through the Meghalaya Prabhari in charge of BJP has informed me and informed the State President, Mr. Rikmanji Momin, that the BJP is going to fill up and contest for this Gambegre by-elections. Election is elections. Any candidate who is contesting the election, they have confidence to win. That is election. See, we have received only one application, but they were feeling that others also will be filing their view. But now they have already zeroed down to Bernard and Marak only to contest for this Gambegre by-election. Now, because I have some important commitment and engagement already been committed. Let's see if the time permit. Definitely, I wish that I will join for the filing of nomination.
I'm very happy that the central leadership of BJP has chosen me to be the candidate in the by-election in Gambegre constituency. Gambegre is a ST constituency and most of the people out there are tribals, and it is an opportunity to work for the people who have been deprived of so many facilities, so many schemes which has been provided by the central government. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has always worked out our schemes for the poor. But in Meghalaya and in Gambegre, I have noticed in my tours and in my campaigns that so many people have been deprived from the basic needs. They don't even have a proper house, they don't have a proper drinking water, they don't have road connectivity, their livelihood status is not so good. So many families do not have BPL ration cards, and so many other issues which has actually affected them in last many years. So it is a very good opportunity for us to help these people so that they can see development in their constituency, and they can see positive change, physical change, which would uplift the face of Gambegre. We are also looking into various projects which can be worked out in Gambegre so that it can create job opportunity and other facilities for the educated and uneducated youths in many different dimensions. We are also looking at how we can help the students to have a better education, because in Gambegre, I have found that so many primary schools are without roof, are without benches, and the status of the schools are not in a very good condition, and it's not giving a good environment for the children.